Metal kids, how we doing? It is Todd from ToJu Racing. All right, are you ready to see the unveiling of Dirty Dave's new muscle car? This is a Carrera Evolution car. Let's get over to the bench and open this bad boy up. All right, kids, welcome to the bench. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unveil this. Are you ready? And there it is. I'm just kidding. Check out this Mustang. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the box. We're gonna get down to the turntable. Here we go. All right, boys and girls, we are back. I do believe this is a 67 Fastback GT. So I'm pretty sure that would have a 402 in it, but I don't know my Mustangs well enough. Some Mustang person, please comment and let me know. I bet Scott's House of HO would know, but it's just the chrome trim. Sorry, I got ahead of myself there. This car is incredibly beautiful. I am blown away by how beautiful this car is. The chrome trim, the perfect Ford grille and bumper, the Torque Force wheels are just perfect. The door handles, the window trim. I like the fact that it only has the number, the whole rear panel with the tail lights and everything. I can't wait to see this bad boy on the track. The driver looks really good. He's got his seat belt. You can see the gear shift really well, and the steering wheel, and the roll cage in the back. And you know, you can see through the actual Fastback here too. So that's just a beautiful car. Let me show you guys a little better. Just amazing detail. I'm surprised the license plate isn't filled out. And there's the back panel. No, maybe that left that so you can fill that in. And then look at the chrome exhaust, and there's your backup lights. And of course, we like to show the bottom. And there's your port for the digital chip, which we have right over here. Tune in later in the week for the full tuning and the digital install and seeing it on the track. Unfortunately, we can't do that right now. Well, yeah, actually we probably could, but we're probably not going to until we get it all chipped up and can put it on there and have it look right. So there she blows. Dirty Dave's Hotrod. He's been looking for this one for a long time, so I'm really happy for him that he got it. It's a beautiful car, and I'm pretty eager to get it tuned up, chipped up, and on the track. So thanks everybody for tuning into this reveal and unboxing, if you will. If you're new here and you're not a subscriber, please smash that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. It doesn't cost anything, and it really helps out the channel. If you want, ring the bell for new content alerts. And thank you again for tuning in and watching this far. Everybody have a great day. Metal. Race on, slot cowboys.